Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to show you when you should close your ads or your campaigns during optimization. A lot of times I'm getting this question, but when should I close them? How long should I keep them? I'm going to take you into my PC. I'm going to show you in another account that I don't manage a bad management and how the ads are being managed so that you can see how it is to neglect ads and when is the right time to close it, and you will see that it's more simple from what you thought. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So I'm going to show you a super visual example so that you can understand it. What do we have here? We have two campaigns. One of them is having 35, the other one is having 73, and still we have two campaigns which are running for more than 7 days over here, having 236 and 454, okay, cost per purchase. What else do you want in order for you to decide to close them? You are having your numbers over here that you are hitting, and then you're having this kind of results. There is no discussion if you will close or keep these campaigns. And this is the way that you should optimize them. If we see them also from previous last 7 days, for example, we can see that they have never worked. Comparing here, you have 45, 48, okay? Let's continue with this kind of 7 days results so that you can understand. 280. Even now, there's no point of discussing and keeping these campaigns over here for such a long period of time, okay? Because the results are awful while you're getting good results here. If you were getting bad results in the whole account and you were getting, for example, 170 cost per purchase, then I would understand that why you should keep them. But here you're seeing that the data is dictating that you should not keep this campaign. If you decide to keep it and you don't follow the data, then it's your mistake. At this point, I would like to clear something out because I'm seeing this all the time with e-com owners. Don't lie to yourself.
Stop lying.
Just because, for example, here on Black Friday, you got 5.8 ROAS spending 500,000 almost with 13, this is not your actual cost per purchase and stuff. Your actual cost per purchase is the cost per purchase, for example, that we are getting on January. Okay, if we see January how much we spent, we did spend 186k. Our cost per purchase is 31, it's not 13, or the numbers that you are seeing on Black Friday, or a good month like August, for example, of 2024, that everybody was having good results. Just because you hit these numbers once, it doesn't mean that these are your actual numbers on the other account. But what I was saying in the previous example, it's very simple. You are seeing that at the same time, you are hitting better results, better cost per purchase, better ROAS with one campaign. There is no point for you to keep another campaign which is having completely different results. But on the other hand, don't lie to yourself and say, because there are a lot of times people that they say to me,
In the previous spring, I had 3 ROAS.
and I'm saying, okay, show me. And we go to the other account and they say,
Yeah, it was just 1 day, or maybe it was a mix of results with Facebook and Google.
you know, people, the more they say something, just because they wanted to feel better, for example, on spring, they believe it, you know. They said I had 3 ROAS, it was a lie to someone. Then they said it again and again and again, and basically they believe their own lie.
You're lying so much. Why?
Just because you had 1 month $10 cost per purchase, it doesn't mean that these are your actual numbers. So you have to compare what kind of results you're getting in a campaign with the results that you're getting on this period on the other account. So one last ad account that I wanted to show you for January, for example, okay? So here, what are we seeing? We are seeing that this campaign over here, the closed one, started before this campaign. And in this campaign, I thought that the results that I could get on my cold traffic ads is 82. This is what I thought, okay? And then this campaign came and I had better results. Now, it's up to me when I'm going to do a new campaign to not accept a result like this, but accept only something which is 40 to 50 cost per purchase. And because now I can see the potential and I can see that I can have this kind of results. Before, when I was having only this, then I could accept only these results. Let me see what it was doing on December, sorry. So on December, I'm having here 60 and 86. These are close, they're acceptable. Now that I'm getting this kind of results from this campaign over here, these results, and let's put also all the results here just to check it. Now that I'm getting these results, only this result is acceptable here. These two are not acceptable anymore. Even if they were producing some sales and stuff, they are not acceptable anymore. Now I'm going to work more closely with these results. This is retargeting, so it doesn't matter. Also, another thing, don't look your retargeting cost per purchase and just expect to have the same cost per purchase on cold traffic. I'm talking about cold traffic ads. I'm not talking about retargeting, okay? Because I'm feeling like a lot of times you're taking my things and you're twisting them, so I have to think of each one simple and small case so that I'm not going to mislead you, for example, or you're not going to take something that I said in the way that you want to interpret it, okay? So we're talking about cold traffic ads over here. So these numbers are not acceptable anymore. You have to work with these. And this means that you can hit these numbers here. This means that you have to work to get these numbers on the next campaigns and the next campaign. I will see you for the closing of the video. So, as you can understand, you just follow the data. If you are having a certain cost per purchase, for example, with the campaigns that you do, that's why a lot of times I'm talking about the one variable rule. If something is working for you, keep using this structure and then change the creative. Or use the creatives that are working for you and work with another campaign. That way you will know that you can hit a number of $50 cost per purchase, $60 cost per purchase, $20 cost per purchase, whatever that may be. And when you're seeing in a campaign $100 cost per purchase, then you know that this is not normal because in another campaign you are hitting these kind of numbers. This is the way that you can actually treat also campaigns and ad sets based on what you're getting on other campaigns on the same ad account. This is the safest way for you to know if something is working or it's not working by just following the data. And at the end of the day, if it's not working for the new campaign, that's fine. It's working for the previous campaign and you just need to find another new campaign which is going to work with these same numbers as the previous one and the first one. It's actually working and it's profitable also. I hope that this visual example is going to help you. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can also check in my website all the testimonials from the people that they have completed my programs or my mentorships. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.